Hey there, Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling Inc. to give you a quick overview of common kitchen plumbing service calls that we handle. Our most common service calls are for clogged drains, leaky faucets, leaks under the sink, jammed garbage disposals, leaks in the dishwasher lines, ice maker lines, and other mysterious leaks coming from the walls, ceilings, and floors. In addition, we install new ice maker lines if you're purchasing a refrigerator with an ice maker for the first time, and new dishwasher lines if you're installing a dishwasher in your home for the first time. We also install new faucets, new garbage disposals, and new sinks, which you can either purchase from our stock, or we will install equipment you have already purchased from such local sources as Modern Supply, Ferguson, Home Depot, Lowe's, or even from Amazon. If you're looking for a convenient way to have purified water on tap, we can install our maintenance-free whole house water treatment system too. Last but not least, we install quite a few gas lines for homeowners who have decided to transition from an electric stove to a gas oven, or who have decided to run a gas line to their outdoor grill. A note of caution, please make sure that the plumbing company and the plumber who performs the work on your gas lines are certified to work with gas. This is a specialty all its own, and we are proud to be specialists in this field. If you are located in the Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, or Lenoir City areas, give us a call. We're here when you need us. Call 865-583-3957, or you can book online at pipewrench.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive other useful homeowner tips. Thank you for watching and have a great day.